Configuring Debank Portfolio Overview is a straightforward process that allows users to track and manage their cryptocurrency assets efficiently. To start, users need to create a Debank account and connect their wallets to the platform. This can be done by clicking on the Add Wallet button and selecting the desired wallet type, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect. Once the wallet is connected, users can navigate to the Portfolio Overview page, which provides a comprehensive view of their cryptocurrency holdings. The page displays the total value of the portfolio, as well as the value of each individual asset. Users can customize the view by selecting the assets they want to display and hiding the ones they are not interested in. To add assets to the portfolio, users can click on the Add Asset button and enter the contract address of the asset they want to track. Debank also allows users to import assets from popular platforms such as CoinMarketCap and CryptoSlate. This feature enables users to quickly add a large number of assets to their portfolio without having to manually enter each contract address. In addition to tracking assets, Debank Portfolio Overview also provides users with valuable insights and analytics. The platform displays the daily and weekly changes in the value of each asset, as well as the overall portfolio. This information helps users make informed decisions about their investments and adjust their portfolio accordingly. To get the most out of Debank Portfolio Overview, users should regularly update their portfolio by adding new assets and removing ones that are no longer relevant. It is also essential to connect multiple wallets to the platform to get a complete view of all cryptocurrency holdings. By following these best practices, users can use Debank Portfolio Overview to optimize their investment strategy and achieve their financial goals.